G'day everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to try and keep everything on the level. To start with, I'd just like to say a big thanks to Chris Wade and his video that he posted on his YouTube channel, Hubsan QC, all about calibration. Chris is doing a fantastic job looking after us, and I recommend that video to everyone. There's bound to be something on there that you have never thought of before or you were never shown properly. After doing all of the calibrations as shown on that video, I have to say that my X4 Pro is flying so much better than the last time we saw it. It was quite unstable, really not a good thing to fly. There was a lot of toilet bowl, and it needed a fair bit of work. So we did a full upgrade of the firmware and the full calibration. It's now a fantastic quadcopter. One of the things about the calibration though is that everything's done, you know, at home on a nice level table without any problems. When you're out in the field, finding a level surface isn't always that easy. You know, you can try and use the back of your car or the ground. If you look around, you might find somewhere reasonably level, but I've come up with a way of guaranteeing that you've got nice level ground every time you do your startup calibrations on the quad. And what I've done was, I had this at home. In Australia we call this a stable table. It is basically a plastic tray with a bean bag on the underneath side of it. And if I move the quad, I can put it on the ground or on the back of my tray here, set the quad on it, then with a trusty level, and when I mean trusty I mean one that you know is level, checking it both directions. So we put it on the table, shuffle it around level that way, check it in the opposite. I'll do it over this side. Bit of a jiggle, that's nice. Check again this way, it's moved. Beautiful. And that's beautiful. That is now sitting on level ground. So we can now turn on, power up the transmitter and power up the quad. And that's all there is to it.
There are a few GPS satellites.
It's a beautiful thing. There it is. I can bring it down and we'll have another little look at it closer. I'll bring it over to us. It is a totally different bird, as you can see. That is so stable, it's beautiful.